Now let's talk about the geometric meaning of the average value. So from the previous example, we know that for the function 6x minus x squared on the interval from 1 to 4, the average value can be found by 1 over 4 minus 1 integral from 1 to 4 f of x dx. Now if you put this f of x inside, then you will find the average value is in fact 8. Okay. So now if we mark everything in the graph, so this is the f average, which is 8, right? So this guy. Then if you do a horizontal line segment, okay, then you will get actually a block here, a rectangle here. Okay. So now if we times 3 both sides, okay, because 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So if we multiply 3 both sides, you get 3 times 8 is equal to integral from 1 to 4 f of x dx. Now the right hand side of this expression, the integral means the area under this curve. Okay. So this guy is the area under the curve. And for the left hand side, that is in fact 3 times 8. 3 is this base, and 8 is that height. So that's the area of this blue rectangle. So in graphical meaning, it means your average value of the function is actually the height of this blue rectangle. So you are looking for a height so that the rectangle will have the same area to the area under the curve. Right. So that f average is, you can call it average height or balance height or like that. So on the other hand, okay, if you do this horizontal line segment, okay, then you find it must intersect the curve somewhere in the middle. Okay. So for example, here is an intersection, right? Roughly about 2. Okay. So at 2, you will find the y value is also equal to 8, which means at 2, you can reach this average height or the balance height. Okay. So this could be summarized by mean value theorem. So this is what says for mean value theorem. If f is a continuous function, then there must be a number c. Note that c is x value between a and b, so that f of c is equal to f of the average value. So that means at c you reach the average height or the balance height. Okay. So the question is how to find that c without graph, just algebraically. Okay. So now if we look at this the same example, okay, 6x minus x squared on the closed interval from 1 to 4. We want to find the c or the x value to make it equal to the f average. Okay. So by the previous example, we know f average for this problem is equal to 8, right? So we are looking for a c value so that f of c is equal to 8, right? But we know f of c is 6c minus c squared, right? So actually we are just trying to solve a quadratic equation. So you can directly put this equation into a TI-89, or you can use a quadratic formula, or you factor it out. There are many methods. Anyway, you find c equal to 2 or c equal to 4. Now let's check if they are both in the closed interval or not. And luckily in this example, we have both of them in the closed interval. So in fact, we have 2 of them, right? Mean value theorem says that there is at least one, but this example, we have 2 of them. And we can get confirmed by the graph. At 2, we reach the average height, and at 4, we also reach the average height. So it means we have 2 of these solutions. Okay. So that's the meaning of the mean value theorem and the average value in the graphical point of view. Okay. So I hope you know not only what it means f average, but also the meaning of f average on the graph and how to find a c value so that f of c is equal to the average value of the function.